Kursum-Molibdomancy-Divination of lead. The relationship of the word Kursum to divination can be examined from various perspectives. Lead has been used in magical divination and protective practices since ancient times. 1. Molibdomancy. The divination of lead. Molibdomancy is an ancient divination practice that involves throwing molten lead into water. The resulting shapes are interpreted to predict the future or reveal secrets. How it works: the lead is heated until it melts. It is then poured into cold water. As it solidifies, it forms strange shapes, which are interpreted like the shapes in clouds or coffee grounds. Each shape can have a divination meaning. Historical references. This practice was widespread in ancient Greece and Rome, but also in later folk traditions. In medieval Europe, it was often considered a technique of revelations and spells. Variants of lead casting are still found today, e.g., in Germany during New Year's. 2. The mystical power of lead in tradition. Lead has always been associated with esotericism and magic due to its heavy and stable nature. Magical properties. It was used in amulets and protection spells. It is associated with the planet Saturn, time, karma, and secrets. In alchemy, lead was considered the most basic metal that could be transformed into gold through the philosopher's stone. 3. Connection with the Kursum mosque and other traditions. The Kursum mosque in Turkey got its name because its dome is lined with lead. Possible mystical implications. The lead in the dome may have symbolic or energetic significance. In Ottoman architecture, lead was used for insulating as well as symbolic reasons. If there were any popular beliefs about the mosque, they may have been associated with protection from curses or mystical powers. 4. Possible modern application of lead divination. If you want to experiment with a modern version of lead divination, you can use wax instead of lead. Steps for a simple ritual: melt wax. Pour the melted material into cold water. Observe the shapes that form and interpret them. Record your thoughts and see if your predictions come true. If Kursum divination is connected to the word Kursum, then lead divination is the most likely related divination practice.